To launch the exporter in Fusion, first, make sure you've installed the add-in using the directions in the tutorial. Next, navigate to the Utilities tab in Fusion, then click Add-ins, Scripts and Add-ins, and then make sure you find Synthesis and it's enabled. Now, you should be able to click the Synthesis Exporter button in the Utilities tab, which will present you with this screen. In this tab, you can now configure all of the settings for your assembly that you're exporting. Make sure that you configure the export location, which either you can have it as download or upload. For this tutorial, I will be downloading a local .mira file to my machine. If you upload to the Autodesk Platform Services, you can then import your assembly directly into Synthesis using the Fusion hubs. Now, also make sure that you've inputted your robot weight. You can also have the exporter auto-calculate it based on your materials. Then, finally, you can also configure Synthesis to open on export, which will open the web tab in your browser. Now, make sure you've also configured all of your joints. For the dozer model, there are 6 wheels, and so I've configured all 6 wheels to be checked. Now, once you've finished configuring everything in the exporter, you can click the export button, and if you're downloading, you can then choose the directory you want your .mira file to download to. Once it's finished, you've successfully exported your MiraBuff assembly.